Hey everyone, it's your girl Lily Singh here. And let me tell you, I'm so excited for today's video because we're about to drop some serious truth bombs. We're diving into how you can get queen treatment instead of princess treatment. Because, let's be real, princesses are cute and all, but queens? Queens demand respect, they know their worth, and they don't settle for anything less than they deserve. Stick around for a step-by-step guide that will change the way you see yourself and how others treat you. Alright, first things first, knowing your worth. This is the foundation of everything you do. It's the bedrock of your confidence and the key to unlocking your full potential. This isn't about being arrogant or cocky. It's about having a deep understanding and appreciation of your own value. It's about self-respect and self-love. It's about recognizing the incredible, unique, and powerful person you are. You have qualities and strengths that no one else possesses. Think about it. What are your strengths? What makes you stand out? What are the things that you do effortlessly that others find challenging? What are you good at? What skills have you honed over the years? What talents do you have that you can be proud of? What have you achieved that you're proud of? Think about your accomplishments, both big and small. Write them down. Seriously, grab a pen and paper or open up the Notes app on your phone and make a list. Documenting your strengths and achievements helps solidify them in your mind. Because when you see it in black and white, it's harder to ignore the truth. You are valuable. You have so much to offer. You bring something special to the table. Your unique perspective, your skills, your experiences, they all contribute to making you who you are. And don't you ever forget that. Embrace your worth, celebrate it, and let it shine through in everything you do. Next up, boundaries, baby. Let's dive into the world of setting boundaries and why it's so crucial for your well-being. Think of boundaries like the royal guards of your heart and mind. They stand tall and firm, ensuring that only what you allow gets through. They protect you from BS and ensure that you're treated with the respect you deserve. Boundaries are your personal shield, keeping negativity at bay and allowing positivity to flourish. Setting boundaries means being clear about what you will and will not tolerate. It's about defining your personal space and making sure others respect it. It means saying no without feeling guilty, understanding that your needs and feelings are just as important as anyone else's. And it means walking away from situations or people who don't respect your limits. It's about prioritizing your mental and emotional health. Remember, you are a queen, not a doormat. Stand tall, wear your crown with pride, and never let anyone make you feel less than you are. You don't have to please everyone. It's okay to take time for yourself and focus on what makes you happy. And you certainly don't have to put up with anything that makes you feel uncomfortable or disrespected. Your peace of mind is priceless, and setting boundaries is the key to maintaining it.
Check one, check two, check.
Chapter 3. Speak up, Buttercup. Communication is key. Now, queens aren't afraid to speak their minds, and neither should you. Good communication is essential for getting the queen treatment. This means expressing your needs and desires clearly and respectfully. Don't be afraid to ask for what you want, whether it's a raise, a favor, or simply some respect. And remember, communication is a two-way street. Listen actively to what others have to say, and don't be afraid to have those tough conversations when you need to. Chapter 4. Treat yourself. Investing in you. Now, queens invest in themselves, and so should you. This means prioritizing self-care, education, and personal growth. Take time for yourself, do things you enjoy, and never stop learning and growing. When you invest in yourself, you're sending a powerful message to the world. I am worthy of my own time, energy, and resources. And guess what? Others will pick up on that energy. Chapter 5. Squad goals. Surround yourself with royalty. In this chapter, we delve into the importance of the company you keep. Your friends and close companions play a crucial role in shaping your life and your mindset. They can either uplift you or bring you down, so it's essential to choose them wisely. Last but not least, queens surround themselves with a supportive and empowering squad. These are the people who will stand by you through thick and thin, offering their unwavering support and encouragement. They are the ones who cheer you on when you succeed and lift you up when you stumble. The people you choose to spend your time with have a huge impact on your life, so choose wisely. Surround yourself with those who inspire you, challenge you to be better, and bring out the best in you. These relationships are invaluable and can significantly influence your personal growth and happiness. Surround yourself with people who lift you up, encourage you, and celebrate your successes. These are the friends who will be there to share in your joy and help you navigate through challenges. They are your cheerleaders, your confidants, and your partners in crime. And just as importantly, distance yourself from those who bring you down, drain your energy, or treat you poorly. It's crucial to recognize toxic relationships and have the courage to step away from them. Your well-being and peace of mind should always come first. Remember, you deserve to be surrounded by people who make you feel like the queen you are. Embrace those who see your worth, who celebrate your victories, and who stand by you in times of need. Your squad should be your source of strength, joy, and inspiration. Outro, you are a queen. Now own it. And there you have it, folks. Follow these steps and you'll be on your way to getting that queen treatment you deserve. Remember, you are powerful, you are worthy, and you deserve to be treated with respect. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more empowering content. Until next time, stay royal!